When joining a Zoom video meeting, you may encounter error codes such as 3038, 100 3033, and 1142. If you want to resolve the issue and return to the Zoom video conference, you can try one of the methods in this guide. Method 1. Reconfirm the Zoom token or details with your host. Contact the host of your Zoom call and ask for a valid token and details of the meeting again. Check if it is the same with the token that you are trying to join. You may also ask the host to accept you when you want to enter the Zoom video conference. Method 2. Restart the Zoom app. Exit the Zoom app or Zoom website and close your browser. Wait for 3 minutes before relaunching the app or the browser. Now, try to enter the Zoom call if you can join. Method 3. Use a VPN or proxy server. If you have a VPN server on your device, turn it on and try to enter the Zoom video conference call. If you can join the meeting, it means that it may be a geo-restriction error or some limitations with your ISP or current internet connection. Make sure to choose a country where Zoom is available. Method 4. Reinstall the Zoom app. You can try to install a new version of the Zoom app to troubleshoot the issue. First, uninstall the Zoom app on your device. Go to the Store section and look for Zoom. Now, install the app. Try to join the Zoom meeting again. Method 5. Contact Zoom customer support. If none of the solutions above work, you can contact the Zoom customer support team and report the issue you are facing. Go to https://support.zoom.us/hc/n-us on your browser and click Contact Support to initiate your report. What else did you do to try and fix the mentioned Zoom problems above? You can share your methods with me in the comment section below.